Oh, like,
Is it stuck?
it's like,
Get it, Grayson.
how do I operate this?
Was she hugging the ball? Well, make her share. Oh, it's coming your way.
It's like, what do I do?
Get the ball, Grayson. Oh, look, she sent it to you.
It's like soccer.
And you send it back.
Oh, she says
She got a goal. Oh, Grayson got a goal.
I think you'll get your paw stuck.
Get it.
It's like having a sick family member in your home. But Larissa kills 99.9% of germs, including 8 cold and flu viruses. To help protect your home, Lysol that.
Hey, searching for a great used car? I don't want one that's had a big wreck. Just say, show me cars with no accidents reported.
It's an awkward pause.
Get it, Grayson. Get it. Well, you can't put your hand in that way. Put your hand in the other way. Hey, you two.
We
Bailey.
didn't ask if I to go on the camera. Yes.
Be nice, Bailey. Nikki was just giving you some love.
Nearly 3 million homeowners have already taken advantage of this fantastic money-saving program. But there are so many more of you who could be
It's all good about the fan.
every month on your mortgage. Quicken Loans is here to help you save.
Look at you guys get the hang of it. Oh,
He's like,
there went Piper. Did Piper make a noise?
do you want to do this?
Get it.
Wrong way.
Grayson, is it hard for you to figure out because you didn't have toys when you were a kitten? Are you just learning this whole toy thing?
Mine. Wrong way. Wrong way. Right way. I think it's okay. I missed it. No, her other name is Mariah.
Thank you, Larissa. As you can tell, they are enjoying it. Ivy's learning how to do flips now, apparently. And Grayson is learning how to play with toys. Different toys.
It's like, how does this work? What?
Ivy, share the ball. You can tell she's got her paw in the tunnel. And she's keeping the ball. Oh, there she goes. She let it out. I think Grayson's having just as much fun watching her as he is the ball. Get the ball, Grayson!
Where's it going?
Grayson, you gotta get the ball! Get the ball, Grayson! It's like, lady, you're crazy. Watch Ivy. She'll show you how to get the ball.
She won't let it go past that point.
Get the ball!
Oh. Just like
So Grayson's learning.
To try to help these dogs.
I guess he didn't have much of a kittenhood being outside with that collar stuck on his neck.
This meeting, I really don't know what to expect. And
But I think he's enjoying watching her.
the only empty seat left is next to a cop.
whoa.
This could get interesting.
It's in a question mark and he's questioning what to do.
Activity, dogfighting is really held root in Louisiana. A lot of things
He likes watching it.
bloodlines originated here. It's still multi-million
But Ivy really is enjoying it. She's getting a kick out of it.
weapons, and it's complicated.
Thank you for all the wonderful gifts.
15, 20, 50, 100 dogs.
We'll get the mice out here in a minute. Because I know they love the mices.
I've been there, done that.
Why wait?
But clearly, dogs
And the warmers and the treats. Those are going to be big hits. We really need the warmers for the outside houses, especially since it's getting so cold. We can never have enough of those. It's getting so cold at night. So we really appreciate those. Those things are a godsend in the cold nights. When the sun goes down, we activate one of those and put them under the cedar. And the kitty cats just love them. It gives them a nice warm bed, and there's no electrical wires, and it doesn't get hot enough that it burns them or anything. So they really love those.
Loves.
We really appreciate them. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And we all know that the kitty cats love the treats. They loves the treats. Oh, look at there. Grayson's got it. Grayson's learned the magic of the ball.
If you need help, thank you all. We'll see you in a few months.
Get it?
When I am convinced of now,
I know, she made a noise.
people that
Whoops.
have the same goals as I do and share the same love.
Okay, so this is 7 minutes and 30 seconds long, and I think I'll go ahead and stop it. But thank you, thank you, thank you. As you can tell, it's greatly appreciated, and they love it. Thank you.